Hello everyone, today what we're doing is we're going to set the time and date up on this audio recorder here. It's the USB drive voice recorder that stores 90 hours of audio. We're going to set the time and date up on it because out of the box it does not come with the correct time and date. So what you need to do is first and foremost make sure that the unit is not recording. So turn the recording off if it is, and then go ahead and plug it into your computer. Okay, so you can see that mine popped up automatically. If yours doesn't do this, don't worry. I'm on a Windows 10 computer, 64-bit. If you're using a Windows 7 or Windows 8 computer, the process is very similar, but it's a little different. To get that window up, go down here to the bottom left, and you can type in things like this PC. That'll bring it up, and I'll show you. So that brings up here. My PC also works, because that's for Windows 7 and 8. You can see the audio recorder here on the end. Okay, so that brought you right back to where we were before, where you can see the two folders and the raw file down there. So in the record folder, this file here I actually created before starting this video, just to show you guys. So like right here, the time and date's way off. It thinks it's January of 2017 and it's actually September of 2018. So that's way off. So we need to fix that. So let's go back here and get the time and date set up. Okay, so now that we've seen that, let's go ahead and set the time and date up. So it's very simple. Just go ahead and open the folder set time, and you're going to see a set time application in here. Double click on it, and it will pop up with a window, and so it'll say success on the setting the time or the device time, and it has the date down here. And that's just pulling it right from your computer. Now, it's really important that you actually start a recording right after this. So you'd want to unplug it from your computer and start a recording. The reason for that being is because as soon as I clicked on this, it took the time and date, right? But it's not gonna update the time and date on the actual gray USB until you start a recording. So if you wait a day or 2 days or a couple hours before starting the recording, your time and date's gonna be wrong again. So for accuracy, I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time. Okay, and then I'm going to start a recording. Okay, so you can see that mine popped up automatically. Remember, if it doesn't, you can go down to your start menu and type in my computer to get back to here. But if we go into the record folder, you'll now see that I have two files. You'll see the original one that I made before doing this video, and then you can see the one that I just made. And since running that program, it actually kept up with the time and date. So it says September 13th, 2018 at 4:24, and that's accurate because I literally just made this file. Now, to listen to the file, you can just double click on it. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing the time and date. Okay, so that played it back. Now, if I want to delete it, I can go ahead and right click and go down to the delete button here and then left click on that, or I can highlight it once by left clicking on it and then hitting the delete key on my keyboard. And now that's going to permanently delete that file. If I want to move this file to save it for permanent records or just to clear up memory, I can right click and go down to cut or copy. Now, cut will physically move the item, so it'll remove it from here and put it someplace else. Copying it will create duplicates. So just to show you how a copy works, if I copy it, and then let's say I want to save it to my desktop. Say this is my desktop here. You right click and then hit paste. And what it's going to do is it's going to copy that file, so now I have it here and here. And then if I don't want either of them, I can go ahead and delete both files. Okay, and that's it. If you do run into problems or have questions, don't hesitate to call us. We're open Monday through Saturdays, 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. That's Central Standard Time. You can reach us at 1-800-292-7748.